Hi boys and girls, for writing today, we're going to mix writing with social studies. So today I want you to write about what you did this weekend. Now some of you might have celebrated Easter, you might have had Easter egg hunts, but some of you might not have, and that's okay. I just want to know what you did this weekend. So I'm going to write with you of what I did this weekend. So now I have just a blank piece of paper, and you can use any paper that you have, but I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it in half. Corner to corner, walk your fingers back. Now I have a top part for my picture and a bottom part for my words. So I'm going to think about what I want to say. Now we've learned how to count out our words before we write them, so that's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to open my marker. I'm going to put my name at the top, Mrs. Myers. And we're going to go ahead and write the date also because we're almost first graders. So we're going to put April. Now today for me is April 13th, but you're going to write whatever date it is when you write your paper. And then we're going to put 2020. Now we can see my line down here, and we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to think, what did I do this weekend? So I'm going to count them on my fingers. This weekend I was at home. That is 6 words for my sentence, and I don't want to forget any, so I'm going to draw 6 lines on my paper to remind myself what those words were. This, don't forget your finger space, weekend, I was at home. And we know that's the end of a sentence, so we're going to put a period. Now the first word was this. That's a sight word, so we know how to spell this. And we start every sentence with a capital. So we have capital T, H, I, S. Now the word weekend, I'm going to stretch out and I'm going to write all the sounds that I hear. Weekend. Weekend. This weekend, we know the word I. We know the word was, sight word. At, sight word. Friends, if you forget how to spell your sight words, you can get your cards and you can practice spelling them correctly. This weekend, I was at home. 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 I can write that. Home. This weekend, I was at home. And I spent the weekend with my husband, James. I was with James. That's 4 words, so I'm going to draw 4 lines. I was with James. Don't forget that period, end of sentence. Now let's start with the first word, I. Beginning of a sentence, in the pronoun I, we always capitalize. I was. Now with is also a sight word. W-I-Th. With. Now I need to stretch James. James. So since that's his name, I'm going to draw a capital J. J-A-M-S. James. I was with James. Now, I need to think of the next thing that I did this weekend. I found Easter eggs. Did you find any Easter eggs? I found Easter eggs. 4 words, 4 lines. I found Easter eggs. Don't forget your period. Now that first word, I, beginning of a sentence, capital letter, And we always capitalize the word I. I found. Ound. Easter. 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 Eggs. 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 I ate candy. 3 words, 3 lines. I ate candy. Period. Capital I. I ate candy. Candy. And E. Now I need to draw a picture that matches my words. So if I found Easter eggs and ate candy and I was at home, my picture is going to be about me at home. So let me look around my house and let me think of what I want to draw. So I have a couch. So let's see. We know Ms. Myers is not the greatest artist, and that is okay, as long as we try. And I'm going to label it. Let's see. Put an arrow. Ouch. Ouch. Couch. Now I'm going to draw a picture of where I found one of my eggs. It was hiding over here beside my couch. So I'm going to label it egg. Now also in my living room, I have a TV. So I'm going to draw a picture of a TV. And I'm going to label it TV. Now this is not the only thing that's in my living room. My picture talks about me and it talks about James. So I'm going to add me and James into the picture later. I also am going to color my couch, color my TV, add some more details of my living room. But this is what I want you to work on. I want you to tell me what you did this weekend. Whether you played a game with your family, whether you went Easter egg hunting, maybe you went and played outside. I want you to write about it. I want you to draw about it. And I want you to send it to me. Take a picture, record yourself telling me about it. But I want to know, what did you do this weekend?